hope you're doing great today. I'm Steve, and I've got a 3-minute guitar lesson for you on Fleetwood Mac's Landslide, just a gorgeous acoustic song. I'm gonna play the beginner, pretty easy version, though you can see I threw in a couple little extra notes and bells and whistles, and I'll teach you those as well. And I gotta do it fast. We have no more time to waste. Put your capo on the 3rd fret and play a C major. And now here's the big key to this song. It does this little walk down. So you go from a C major to this. I don't know what it's called. It's a form of B. You can check the chord chart link in the description right here. So basically take your first finger on the 5th fret of that A string and your 3rd finger on the 6th fret of the B string, like that, and just play, you know, maybe try to avoid that E string and that E string and just go. So you go. And I'm picking, you can strum if you want to. So, pretty cool right there. Or you can pick. And then you go to an A minor 7th. A minor, it's basically an A minor, but without that note, you just let go and hit the open G like that, and then back up to that same B one we did, and then do a C, and just says that over and over again. And if you want to get tricky, hammer that one on. You go from the open A, like that, and then use the pinky here, and back to the C. And after you're doing that a bunch of times, when it goes into the chorus, it goes to a D7th. And again, a D7th is a regular old D, but instead of that note on the 6th fret, it's right here on the 4th fret. So, and then it goes to a G major for the chorus. And then play a D major, but if you put your thumb here, it allows you to do this little walk down. Try a G, and play a D major, but put that thumb right there on the 5th fret of the E string to E minor. And I'm gonna change it because I've built C major, built my life, and then you go to that same little thing we did. That same B right there, B, it's like a B major, but a little version of it. And back to that A minor 7th, back to the D 7th. So listen. G, D, with that thumb right there to E minor, because I C, back to that B thingy, to the A minor 7th, D 7th, and then after doing that, you know, one of the times it just never goes back to D. It goes, because I built my life around you, and then it goes back up and starts it over again. Took my love and laid it down. Okay, that was a super fast version of the song. Once you get the hang of those little walk downs, it becomes magical, and it's so beautiful and really fun. So let me know how you did in the comments. Rewind, pause if you need to, and hang out here for some more 3-minute guitar lessons. Catch you next time. See ya.